Have you ever asked yourself the question, who am I really negotiating with? Before we dive into the topic, please allow me to introduce myself. I am Giovanni Aquilanti, Business Development Director and Senior Trainer at CABL, a company specialized in negotiation and influencing. Internal negotiations are equally, sometimes more important than external ones. In this last video of a series of 4, we will finalize the review of the RESONANT model, a pragmatic approach to internal negotiations. Let's look at the last 2 elements. N stands for negotiates effectively as a team. Teams that work effectively drive credibility, that creates leverage, that ultimately bring successful negotiation outcomes. Here we have a very simple set of recommendations. Spend time in preparing and aligning with your stakeholders. Define rules, what to say, what not to say, when to pause, and define roles. I was once part of a very complex negotiation with around 40 items under discussion and 2 teams of 4 facing each other. In order to work effectively as a team, we define a leader, a contributor, a note taker, and the person responsible to check body language for each of the 40 items, to the point that if anyone in the team wanted to intervene, had to ask formal permission to the leader of that item before moving forward. Last element, T. Think of a strategy that drives alignment. Alignment is the key word here, and you can reach alignment in very different ways depending on the company culture and ways of working. You can have a common goal set by the senior management. You can picture the final deal as it would look like. And you can define a scoring criteria for better decision making. 40% would be cost, 30% might be quality, 20% innovation, and 10% sustainability, for instance. Exactly as you would do in external negotiations. And in fact, there is a direct correlation between successful internal negotiations and successful outcomes of your external negotiations, both in terms of financial results, but also in the ability to execute. We've now gone through the full model, and these are the 8 elements. Recognize the challenges of internal negotiations. Envision how to deal with conflicting priorities. Supervise and manage your internal stakeholders. Organize and plan your internal negotiation. Nurture relationships. Assist the other party in their internal negotiations. Negotiate effectively as a team, and think of a strategy that drives alignment. Now you are fully equipped to manage internal negotiations alongside the external ones. Please keep us posted on your progress and give us feedback. Thank you very much for your time. For more insights, please visit www.cabl.ch.